Hi, my name is Hector from My Credit Sharks. I'm very excited that you clicked on the ad on Facebook or Instagram. That's telling me that you need help with your credit, and I'm telling you, you're in the right place. We're gonna put a 90-day money-back guarantee to show you results, but I will tell you, most of my clients see results between 30 to 45 days. If you're looking to get into a home, purchase a car, or apply for something and your credit is stopping you, today's the day that you're gonna take care of that. You've made the right choice. Go ahead and take a look at some of my testimonials, but more importantly, why don't you click the link down to schedule your free appointment? Okay, there's a calendar right below this. Just click the date, click the time. We'll get on the phone with you and we'll discuss your plan. We're not only gonna talk about it, but we're gonna actually show you on your report exactly why and how we can get them removed. Negative items, collections, repossessions, late payments, child support, bankruptcies, any one of those items that you may have on there and it's hurting your credit, we're gonna show you exactly why and how we're gonna take it off. You're just a click away, okay? So today's the day that you've made your choice. My name is Hector, the owner of My Credit Sharks. I will be thrilled to show you with my team what we can do for you in 90 days. Go ahead and schedule that. Thank you.